and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm playing Whack-A-Slime. I kind of want to go back to the Minecraft theme, and basically I thought Whack-A-Slime would fit perfectly. It's like whack-a-mole, and that's all I know. So let's play. Stage 1. There we go. Up, whack, 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 whack those slimes! Not the person dressed up as a creeper. Whack all the slimes. No! Get all the slimes. Get all the slimes. Quickly, get all the slimes. Get all the slimes. Get all the slimes. Yeah. Ah. Let's see if I can beat 174. Doing good here, doing good. I already beat it. I already beat it. 174, 2 something. I have already beat it. Yes. Yes. Let's see. No, another ad. Why are there so many ads on these games? Oh, you get slime balls. Oh. And then you unlock the next stages. There we go. That's what we have to do. So let's just play and get a lot of slime balls. Slime, 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 whack-a-slime. Slime, 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 whack-a-slime. No, my last 5 seconds. Does that mean I got 165 slime? I think that does. Let's just see. Whack a slime. Whack it, whack it, whack, 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 whack. Whack it, whack the slimes. Ah. Whack all the slimes. Go. There we go. 315. High score. Oh, here it says high scores. No, no, no. I want worldwide. That's what mine. Main menu. So let's see. How much did I get? 906. Not bad. I need 1,000 slime balls. This next round, I'm sure I'm gonna get them. I'm sure I'm gonna get them. This round, right here. Let's get all the slimes. Slimes are nasty. No one wants them. They hurt you. Blah, blah, blah. They're horrible. Now let's whack them. Ooh, let's see. So if I go to the main menu, why are there so many ads? Let's see on options if I can do. Oh, 10,000. Ah! Let's see how much it took. Let's see. I have 1,000. Yeah, 10,000. Oh, geez, that's gonna take a lot of rounds. Let's see. Options. Can I turn ads off? No. All I can do is restore purchases. Let's see. Achievements. Okay, if it's like a board that's bland and no Minecraft in it, then I don't want to know it. So let's whack those slimes. Yeah, I thought I could like go back to a Minecraft theme because slimes are in Minecraft, you know. And everyone loves a good whack-a-mole, so I decided to whack a slime. Cool. Huh? Now let's whack 'em! Whack, 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 whack. There we go. Whacked a few slimes. Okay, restart. No. 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 Slimes, don't leave me now. Don't leave me. I will defeat you. Get all the slimes. Get them, get them, get them, get them. Go! No. Let's see. Whack, 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 whack. Whacking another slime is yummy. Whacking all the slimes, whacking all the slimes, whacking all the slimes to the ground. Get the slimes, not the creepers. Well, at least the thing that's dressed up as a creeper because it has some TNT in its hand. Get him. Go slime, get him. Get the slimes. Get them! Get them! Get all the slimes! Yes! That's a good score. Let's see. Whoop! Wrong way. No! I will avenge myself. I wonder why it's not a creeper and somebody dressed up as a creeper. That's what I'm wondering. Why can't it not be an actual creeper? I mean, I'm not saying the game's bad, I'm just saying they should really do an update to make them actual creepers. Let's see. Main menu, no. Why there's so many ads? Let's see. Not bad. 2,340 slime balls. Now let's get these slimes. Whoop whoop. Getting all slimes. Getting all slimes. Taking my finger and whacking them. Just whacking them on the head. This bonk, bonky bonk. There we go. Let's see. How many slimes can I whack? That took away 5 seconds. No! Bah! If I just went out with that little creeper thing. Ah! Get whack the most, get whack the most. a good score. Now that's what I'm talking about. Start over. Get all those slimes. Not the creeper dress things. Just get all the slimes. Somebody help the other slimes. Isn't there another person here? Shouldn't Steve be around, or am I Steve? Well, if I am Steve, then where's Alex? Oh, jeez. Punch, 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 punch. Aww. Punch, 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 punch. Punch, 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 punching slimes in the face. Doing good here, doing good, getting high score for just punching them in the face, blah blah blah. I know it's mean, but it's whack a slime, so I'm whacking them in the face, blah blah blah. Now let's get these slimes. Go. Whoop whoop. That is a good score. I'm getting good ones. I think it's all at 3,000. Let's check. It's 3369, which equals 3,369. Not bad. But too bad I can't get that yet. Hopefully I can get that soon. Just by playing Whack-A-Slime. See, it's slime I whack. I'm gonna count by 3. 3, 9, no. 3, 6, 9, 12. I cannot count because I'm walking too fast. Yeah, that was a bad idea to try and count. 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9. There we go. 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 1, 1, I messed up my counting. 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6. I didn't even count when I was punching the slimes in the face. Why did I not? 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9. Okay, I'm gonna stop counting. I'm kind of getting bored of counting. I just want to commentate. Okay, here. So I got a bunch of slimes, and all I've got to do is whack them in the face. That's what I should say. Yep, that's what I'm doing. Whack them in the face. Whack, whack, whack. And then it bursts into pieces. I'm actually kind of liking this game. Most people think Whack-A-Mole, boring. But when it's Whack-A-Slime, you literally punch them in the face. It's fun. Just kidding. It's the same amount of fun as Whack-A-Mole. I just decided to go back to Minecraft theme and do a simple game, so I decided Whack-A-Mole is a simple game, and Slimes is for Minecraft, so why not play Whack-A-Slime? So yeah, I promise you, I did not invent this game. Let's see, can I buy it? Ooh, raising up quick though, raising up quick. Soon enough, I can actually get it. So let's just whack these slimes in the face, punch them, do whatever I have to do, just burst them to pieces. Blah blah blah, this is fun. Boop, boop. That's just boop. You can't get me. Okay. There you go. I'm just going crazy with my fingers. Get those slimes! Get them, get them, get them! Get all the slimes! Get them, get them, get them! There we go! That's a good score. Let's see. Let's see how much score I can get. Slash slime balls. So each slime is 3 cycles. If you've counted all the slime, if you want to see how much slimes I've whacked in an entire episode, take my original score at the front, divide by 3, and then you've got. I know it's going to be big, but if you have a calculator, it's going to be so easy. Just slowly type this divided by 3 equals, and I'll tell you, well, something like 9, or you know. I don't know what's going to give out, but hopefully the amount of slimes I've whacked in the video. Hopefully, at least. I think so. Yeah. It pretty much should give you the slimes. So, now high scores, main menu. Let's see. How much do I have? Half the cost, 5,103. Well, it's really 5,000, but close enough, close enough. Now let's whack some slimes. Whack those slimes, whack those slimes, whack them to the ground, whack them. There we go. I've been singing so much songs in this episode. Short, but hilarious. Well, they weren't hilarious, but still. I guess some of them were. Yeah, you can agree. Some of them were hilarious. But I can't resist. I love singing songs. I love YouTube videos, so I put them on my YouTube videos. Doing good here, doing good. Whacking all those slimes to the ground. Sorry about that intense lag right there. I can't do anything about that millisecond delay. But, really, it's the best this can do. It's the best this record can do. But I don't care. The video's getting posted. And that was only like one time lag because I punched too much slime in the face. I think so, at least. Yeah, probably. See, just a tiny millisecond delay. Shouldn't be that problem. Shouldn't be that problem. Shouldn't be much of a problem. I'm even messing up my words. What's wrong with me? Let's see. No. I will revenge myself. Oh. If only I would have hit that creeper. Or that thing dressed up as a creeper. What even is that thing? So yeah, basically, that is Whack a Slime. So let me just get to the main menu before I end the video. Hello? Hello? Do I have to watch it? Oh geez. Sorry, everyone. Sorry. Sorry, everyone. Literally. Sorry. I mean, I can't do anything about all these ads. Literally, I can't do anything about it. Sorry, everyone, about the ad. Please tell me there's an X somewhere. Okay, everyone, I'm gonna pause the video and then go back through my iPad and come back with no ad. See you in a tiny bit. Okay, everyone, so I'm back and there's literally no ad. So, everyone, once again, that is Whack-A-Slime. So yeah, this was a pretty fun game to play, and I'll be playing more games like this in the future. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy this video, and goodbye!